Hi, I'm Marna and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel. Today is day 3 in the collab with Beth Ramsden. We're doing 5 days of Christmas. We have done 1 crochet hook, 2 knitting needles, and today is 3 inches of fabric. And what I did is I made this little shirt that is reversible. Well, it was supposed to be. I'll show you that in a minute. But I turned my fabric sideways like this. Before I take this off, I do want to show you this adorable t-shirt that, in fact, Beth Ramsden made for my Kind of Me. Okay, the pattern that I want to use that I got from Creative 404, if you go to somebody's page and they're giving, or video, and they're giving free patterns, go to their comments and at least say thank you. I have not used this pattern before, but looking at it this way, it is over 3 inches. So what I'm going to do is cut it out a little different so that it is under the 3 inches. I'm also going to make it reversible. So we'll see how this goes and we'll come back and take a look. Okay, what I did was I cut 2 of everything out. That's 4 sleeves, 4 backs, 2 fronts. And I did it in Christmas and Valentines so that I can switch it around. What I'm going to try, something new, is rather than do this by hand, I'm going to try to put a fat zigzag on and see how that works. So experimenting a little bit. After I sewed the 2 sides together, leaving the bottoms open, I turned this inside out. I took my Chinese chopstick and I pushed it way out and ironed all the edges. First I finger pressed it and then I ironed each edge. So let's see how the zigzag does. Okay, I got this done, but I don't think I can push the seam far enough. You see what I have there? Not real happy. I should have done it by hand, but it's a cute Christmas shirt. It's a very cute Christmas shirt. I'll have to work the edges a little bit because it's not going to lay flat. In fact, I might turn the iron on rather than just finger pressing. I wish it would have worked on both sides. Gosh, it would be all right, but not what I was hoping. So to turn these around, I'm taking a crochet hook. I'm grabbing the edge of that and let me grab it right. Now you to hold it tight and pull at the other one went great. And now that I'm showing this, of course, it keeps sliding. So all right, there we go, I think. The other one went fantastic and pulled right through. And I thought, oh, I should film that. Okay, and then you pull. Don't let up like I just did or it sneaks back off. For heaven's sakes, the other one just... Well, you people know. You have been filming and you know how it is when you go to show something. I don't take that too far because I don't want it to put a hole in either. And then I take my chopstick and push this back out. I will finger press and decide if I want to press. And then I'm going to add, let's see, I thought maybe I could pull that so it would lay flat on both sides. It's just not going to. But it's a cute shirt nonetheless. That's the back. Here's the front. I'm going to add Velcro this time. Usually I put snaps on, but I'm going to use Velcro. So when I made this, I made it reversible. And the idea was Christmas and Valentines. So I tried something different rather than sewing the sides by hand, which I usually do. There's a thread to clip. This is not my normal crochet hook for turning this inside out. Usually I use a smaller one. So what I did is I tried for the first time to use the reverse by doing a zigzag stitch, but it didn't work so well. But the next time I did it on another outfit, which outfit was it? Oh, I know what it was. It did work. Okay, so what I did was when I sewed this, I did a zigzag stitch thinking that it would work on both sides because it would pull. And it would have had I done it like this. When I did the next one, I laid it flat on my sewing machine and did a very large, loosely stitched. That is, I set my tension loose. And that way, it worked on both sides. However, my candy stripe did not. I think it turned out well. I like the little candy canes in the front. I do want to show you the other side of it, but I think it's cute with her little Christmas skirt. And then if she gets cold or before she goes outside or if she's visiting someone like our house where we keep the heat down, she has her little scarf shawl. Be sure to visit Beth Ramsden's channel. There is a link in our description and I think in the title. Beth is quite clever. I can't wait to see what she did with her 3 inches of fabric. Tomorrow is the 4th day of Christmas, which is 4 snaps to hold it. Whatever we make, we need to add 4 snaps. Whoa, she's leaning back. She's so comfortable in her little warm clothes. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.